leaves are changing. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new fall vlog. I am in such a fall mood, you guys. Like, it is finally fall here. It's October 5th. The leaves are changing. It's like chilly in the morning, nice in the afternoon. All the good vibes for a filming day. But good morning, I'm just having my morning coffee before I go into my Pure Barre class. I've been going to Pure Barre several times a week here in the USA, and it has just made me feel so good. It's such a nice light workout. It doesn't make me feel exhausted for the rest of the day. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and get my workout in. I'll see you later on. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Adrienne. Subscribe to our channel for fun vloggies. I live abroad, but I'm currently visiting my hometown, so it's like a little bit of everything right now. Okay, I am back from my workout. I took a shower and quickly got ready. I've been so into like just quick 5-minute get ready routines, and I've been using like a hairspray that holds my hair really well, so I don't have to do my hair a lot, which is awesome. Anyways, I'm getting ready to go meet my friends at a cafe, and I just wanted to finish off my makeup routine by doing some lips. And guys, can you believe it? Like, finally, after a really long time, I've actually been wearing lip colors lately. A few months ago, I showed you guys some colors I added into my routine, and then I also recently added a ton. And these are from 𝐒𝐀𝐕𝐄𝐃 Beauty. Guys, I'm wearing fun colors. It's awesome. Honestly, I feel like these colors really fit my specific skin tone, which is why I think I've really been enjoying wearing them. Everything about these, like the quality, the formula, and the way that they fit to my skin tone, I really, really love. These are actually limited edition sets, but I'm so incredibly impressed with like the color combining and what you can do with just a few of these. I mentioned this on my channel before, but sometimes in the past I've been hesitant to wear lip colors just because it feels like a little bit out of my comfort zone, or I haven't like been able to find a really good formula that I like. I feel like these are the type of products that are good for all 4 seasons, because since they have a warm tone to them, it's really nice for fall and winter, but then also they're not sticky, which is perfect for spring and summer. Obviously, lip color is super important. You want to like the color that you're putting on your face, but in my opinion, it is really, really important for your lip product to have a very good formula. I love how these softly glide onto my lips with just like one application, and the 𝐒𝐀𝐕𝐄𝐃 Beauty lipsticks create a really like, I feel like moist, a blurring effect. I just love these so much, and all of these lipsticks actually have a mattifying effect to them, but it's not the type of formula that is going to like dry up or crack on your lips. Even though they're mattifying, they feel very, very hydrating. One of the first things I actually noticed when I used their lipsticks is that it feels like more of a gel formula instead of some kind of like drying liquid. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you probably know I haven't really talked much about lip liners ever on my channel because I've always just felt a little bit intimidated by them. But what I love so much about these lip liners is they are so, so good for helping change the size of your lips. If that's like an insecurity you have, or if you are wanting to have like a more defined lip look, these are so amazing for that. The 𝐒𝐀𝐕𝐄𝐃 Beauty soft lip liners are so easy to use. It literally feels like I'm using a crayon on my lips when I use these. Yeah, I've been loving these just to create like an attractive lip line or to adjust my lip shape a little bit. Just like the liquid lipsticks, you literally only need like one swipe of this and you're good to go. There's no need to reapply these often because they don't have any smudging issues. These would be like the type of products that I feel like makeup artists would wear because they just work so, so well when you use them. If you guys didn't know, one of my biggest like music and beauty inspos is Jessie. I love her so much, and these lip sets were actually inspired by her. It made me feel just like even more eager to try them because I've always been so inspired by her makeup looks. One of the reasons I haven't really like worn lipsticks a ton in my life is because I feel like it's always been hard to match my lip colors to my skin tone, because I don't like super, super bright colors, but I do like reds and like darker pinks, and that is what these are giving exactly. One of the reasons I came to America is because my friend is actually getting married, and I wore these liners and lipsticks during the whole bachelorette weekend. I felt like my lips looked on point, and it was because I was wearing these most of the time. I really like how with these you don't have to worry about any kind of smudging because they're gonna stay on. Like, I've worn these to Pure Barre while I've been back here, and no problem. And these are just so convenient for travel. I've been traveling around a lot and I really like how like compact and sleek they are. You can just grab them and throw them in your makeup bag. Oh, and exercising. Okay, if you wear these before you go to the gym or something, even if you're sweating, the color is going to stay on, because I wore these to Pier Bar and I didn't have time to take my makeup off before I went and they were still on after. All right, we have so many gorgeous colors to choose from. This is what I'm wearing today, just like a very basic shirt. So we can basically match anything. I'm not really sure what I'm going for though. Definitely something on like the pinker side. I'm gonna bring you guys into the bathroom where I do my makeup because I have a really good mirror in here. For today's color, we're gonna use, I think, my most commonly worn liquid lipstick, which is shade number 3. Honestly, all of the colors from this line are so good for fall and winter, but this one especially is like really nice. It's like really good transitional color. All right, and that is going to complete the look for today. I love this color on me. But yeah, if you guys are looking for some fun new shades to add to your makeup collection for the fall, for the winter, honestly any season, check out Honey Beauty. I really love how long wearing these are. I love the formula, like literally the littlest amount goes the longest way. So I'm gonna have all of their links down in the description. And if you guys end up getting your hands on some of these, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to see which shades you end up getting. Once again, the one I'm wearing right now is 03.
Good afternoon, thank you for choosing Evan Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Hi, can I please have a grande iced coffee with a pump of pumpkin?
Would you like any classic syrup in there?
No.
Alright, so just one cup of pumpkin. Anything else?
Yeah, and then can I get a tiny bit of cream on top of that?
And a little bit of cream.
Yeah. Alright, so if you've been watching any of my recent vlogs, then you definitely know I have been loving just Starbucks since I've been back in the States. So here's my drink of choice today. Now we are going to run inside of the thrift store. I have not been to a thrift store in such a long time, but I'm on the hunt for just like some fall sweaters, mainly tops. I don't think any bottoms, and maybe accessories too. I'm kind of interested in. I have not gone thrift shopping in such a long time, and I'm just not in the mood to spend like 30 to 40 bucks on each new sweater that I want to wear this year. But my fall wardrobe is definitely just like chunky sweaters. I love these like form-fitting long sleeves. Basically, like the more basic the better for me. I'm not really into like dressing up in like a bunch of patterns in the fall. I'm just like more of a basics girl. So let's go into this thrift store. We're starting off at Goodwill. We're gonna see how it is. If Goodwill is not the vibe today, that's okay. There's like plenty of other places we can go. Expect to find like a cropped, like chunky sweater. It definitely fits very loosely. This is so cute. Right, I just got back in my car after a successful thrifting experience. I cannot believe how great that was. I only got 2 items, but total was $10, and I got 2 really nice thick things for fall and winter. I love it. I love a successful thrift. I would really like more crew neck sweatshirts that are thrifted, so I'm gonna keep my eyes out over the next few days. But anyways, now we're going to head back home. I'm definitely excited to have some yummy fall baking food later. Maybe a fall soup. Just picked up some orders from my shipper. I'm gonna be dropping these at the post office. Thank you guys so much for all your support lately. It warms my heart to pack these orders. are back home now. I changed into more of an airy shirt. It suddenly got so warm today. It was cold this morning, then it got warm, but a cold front is apparently moving in for this upcoming weekend, which I'm actually kind of excited about. I would like a little bit of sweater weather. We are about to do a little bit of baking. I got this from Trader Joe's. I'm sure I've had a brownie bar in my life, but I don't remember a specific time, so I'm really excited to try these out. Baking is so much fun. I don't know if you guys remember, I took a couple baking classes in Korea this summer, and I feel like it's really helped me enjoy baking more. It's super easy to follow along to these directions. You guys already know dinner's about to be so good. Well, I know these are gonna be good. I've never tried this, but I'm pretty sure, knowing Trader Joe's, probably gonna be fire. Great, final verdict. Package versus in real life. I feel like this one looks a little fluffier. I don't know if I need to bake these more. I'm gonna give this a try and we'll see. We might have to stick them back in. I really have no idea where the time went this evening, but it is already literally 10:30. That is going to wrap it up for today's fall vlog. I'm about ready to put myself to bed. I'm so tired. It has been a really good day today. I had actually so much fun sharing it with you all. It feels really fun to be just like in the environment that I'm in right now that has a lot of very festive stuff. It makes me really happy to be around here. A lot of nostalgia I've been feeling the past few weeks, and it's a really good feeling. Thank you guys so much for all the support on my recent vlogs. If you need to catch up, I will have a playlist linked below where you can catch up on all my recent videos. But that's about it for the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below a teddy bear emoji if you're still watching, and I will see you guys very soon in my next vlog. Good night. Mwah.